Experiencing missed calls on your US mobile phone can be frustrating. The main culprits in 2025 are often related to call forwarding, HD voice, VoLTE, and your SIM card. We'll address these directly. First, it's essential to know that most US carriers now rely on 4G LTE and 5G networks for calls, so having HD voice enabled is crucial. We need to determine if it's a setting, your SIM card, or issues with carrier handoff between towers that is causing the issue. Let's fix it. First, check call forwarding. This feature redirects calls and can cause you to miss them if accidentally enabled. Second, enable HD voice or VoLTE. This uses LTE for calls and requires data to be on. Third, check your SIM card. Power off your phone, use the SIM eject tool to remove and reinsert the SIM, ensuring it's seated properly. If issues persist, contact your carrier for a SIM swap.